I am Claire Spallin, the Education Coordinator at the Portsmouth Historical Society. I run the third grade history program for Portsmouth Elementary Schools. The history of Portsmouth, I think, is important for the third graders to know. It really gives them pride and ownership when they know more about it, and especially a place like Portsmouth where it's so unique because we are almost 400 years old. It's just a really unique, beautiful city, and they are citizens, and this is sort of their first step into being part of the city. The other one is to get them interested in the subject of history, where they can touch and feel. So I bring in old fire buckets, we bring in cannonball that apparently was shot from a British ship into a home in Newcastle, and the kids love the stuff. This whole idea of object-based learning really gets the kids connected. And thanks to a generous donation from Provident Bank, Portsmouth Historical Society can offer this program at no cost to the schools or the students, and that's huge. So when we're on the tours, it's at the very end of the year, so I've already been into the classroom at least 6 to 8 times throughout the year, and this is the prize at the end where they get to see everything that they've learned and make those connections and have those aha moments.